So check this out. You guys can see from the title of this article that Hedera scores a mega partnership to advance payment innovation. Very, very powerful idea to see that Hedera Hashgraph is out here trying to promote collaboration, partnership. Maybe in the end, Hedera would be one of the formidable cryptocurrencies being used going forward. Let's go through this article, and then we're going to go ahead and do a price prediction update into the market for HBAR because it's been a while. So the article starts out with Hedera through the HBAR Foundation has inked a partnership with the Digital Euro Association to drive innovation in the industry, DEA. Now they may want to change that acronym or at least change their name because that is synonymous with the Drug Enforcement Agency. The HBAR Foundation is the primary body behind the development of Hedera Protocol. Its alliance with the Digital Euro Association, a think tank with an interest in driving digital payments evolution, will go a long way towards bolstering its authority in the industry. So these two entities have a future to which they want to transform the digital payment industry. Not bad. It's a good idea, but we'll see if it comes to fruition. If anything that they can partner with, if it will actually have some legs, some usage, some utility to where it will actually benefit people at large. Because if it will, then inevitably you guys would think that HBAR will also capitalize from that promotion as well too. As revealed, the partnership was cemented in the duo's alignment of innovation pursuit as it concerns digital payments, stablecoin, and central bank digital currencies. I know many of you may have some pause on that last issuance, central bank digital currencies. Is HBAR going to get involved in that realm too? Maybe. Because we already know that the centralized governments, the central banks, are going to issue out their own CBDCs because they want to also join on board with what Bitcoin has already accomplished. So maybe HBAR will also participate in that realm on the centralized side rather than on the decentralized side. Now, maybe it might hurt HBAR, maybe it won't. It's something that we'll have to just wait and see if the innovation that they're trying to pursue, if it will actually help out general people, or will they side the line with the authority or the authoritarians and actually make sure that they stay in control of the monetary system. We'll see. As an association, the DEA thrives with multiple industry partners contributing to its advancement. The link up between the Digital Euro Association and HBAR Foundation will bring the best minds together to work towards bringing the growth of the blockchain ecosystem. It's coming. It's coming. The blockchain ecosystem is going to be a massive conglomerate in each and every one of our daily lives, whether it's teaching, whether it's just commerce, whether it's real estate transactions, monetary transactions, trust transactions, legal transactions. Everything's going to be connected to a blockchain. And maybe these two entities, HBAR Foundation and the DEA, maybe they could actually come together to formit something that will actually benefit the people rather than the governments of the world. Hedera already boasts an advanced technology that enables to transfer assets with fees at a fraction of a cent. That's a very good thing, because there are some altcoins out here that has high amount of gas, Ethereum, fees, just to do a transaction. Now, if you can do transaction at a fraction of a cent and it's scalable, then yeah, Hedera could have a massive future in this cryptocurrency space. Now, this is the question mark for this whole article. The exact ways the HBAR Foundation will contributing to the growth of DEA remains unclear at this time. However, members of the DEA may learn how the HBAR Foundation was able to develop Hedera as a carbon neutral protocol while still solving the trilemma of speed, low cost, and decentralization. So it's still unclear. We're not necessarily sure what this partnership entails, but hopefully it's going to bring fruit. Quote, as the lowest carbon footprint decentralized ledger technology, Hedera is uniquely positioned to contribute to the growth of the digital currency ecosystem, end quote, said Shay Higdon, CEO of the HBAR Foundation. Okay. And then it goes into the Bitcoin and all this other stuff. So how do you feel about this? To me, I'm kind of neutral and positive, because I just don't know how this is going to end once this collaboration concludes, what's going to come out of the collaboration, the agreement that they have. But there's a potential, and this is what many people like to harp on and try to connect to prices of these cryptocurrencies. They like to have that potential. Okay, if they're doing this, then hopefully in the future, the value of HBAR is going to be more profitable, or it's going to be more expensive to where I can profit from this collaboration. Now, it's good to see that this, one of the best things about cryptocurrency is the fact that it's decentralized, meaning that you don't have any regulatory authority. Like if HBAR was created on the land that's called America, right? They're still able to go out and create partnerships with other entities across the world without any restriction. Like the United States government can't come, or the SEC can't come and say, Hedera, you guys cannot do this partnership. So looking at the chart for HBAR, you guys can see it right now. It doesn't look too bad. The market is currently riding the wave as many other altcoins are trending to the upside, and many people like to connect it or contribute it to Bitcoin and the spot Bitcoin ETF approval the last couple of weeks. Maybe, maybe not. But you can see at once we did our price prediction in HBAR right here on the 25th of January, we identified 3 buy zones. Okay, we had this first buy zone here around 6.5 cents, second right there around 6 cents, and then the third one's around 5.5 cents, right? And we said our targets would be at those 3 locations. And the good thing about why price in HBAR is currently trading around 11.5 cents is because the buyers maintained the first buy zone. The market didn't come to the second or the third buy zone, which is phenomenal. It's great. Hopefully you saw that same type of price action, because you would have said, yeah, cool. The market is definitely bullish, especially after the 6th of February, where we got that indication of strength triggered into the market in HBAR. This is where the market broke out, right there on the 6th of February. That's where it all began. So if you would have saw, okay, I'm paying attention to the market price action in HBAR, and the market is holding this first buy zone, and then February the 6th happened, you got that indicator strength trigger, you say, yes, the market is a buy. I'm looking for the price to go up. And then you can see how price in HBAR exceeded its first sell zone on that indicator of strength, and it also broke through our second sell zone with the same indicator of strength. This is a very bullish market right now in HBAR. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut these zones out the way, this sell zone here, that one, and we're going to hold the buy zones here. We're going to get rid of this one and this one because we don't need it, because the price action in HBAR is up there around 11.5 cents. And we're going to get rid of this price prediction. So now what we have to do is zoom out the chart and try to gauge where's the next area for HBAR to find selling. So here's one. Here's the second one. Okay. And then the third one would be around 18 cents. Now these prices go all the way back to 2022. So it's been about 2 years since HBAR has been trading at these price levels. All right. So we got that there. Let's look at the market in HBAR on a 2-day time frame. So you can see that the market currently is being hung up right here around a dime. This is being seen as support. It acted as resistance in the beginning of the year, and now it's acting as support. Okay, so this needs to be maintained. Price in HBAR needs to hold a dime. If it does, we still have the expectation that the market is bullish and that the price is going to go up. Now, we're not that far from our first sell zone into the market at HBAR. Given how the market currently is trading on the 2-day time frame, I can see how the buyers has been consuming or absorbing the selling that has gone on above a dime. Here it is on the 3-day chart, pretty much the same thing. Here it is on the 5. See it there too. Here it is on the week, 2 weeks, HBAR on the 3, 4 more days, and 13 hours. I want to see this indicator of strength remain once this price bar prints. Okay, so we got 4 days and 13 hours left, but it still looks pretty bullish there. Here it is on the 5. The 5-week look definitely bullish there. So I can definitely see strength on the longer term charts. Look at this on the monthly time frame in HBAR 2. Very, very bullish. So we're definitely going to look for the price in HBAR to continue to trend to the upside in price. We're going to go ahead and drop this price prediction and be done. We're going to hold a dime to be support, and we're going to create, and I'm going to hold that there. That's going to be our support area into the market in HBAR. This first zone is our first target, either at the low, which is 9.25%, or all the way up here at the high, which is 17.25%. That's our first target. Longer term chart, i.e. the monthly time frame, we're going to do a second target all the way up here around 15 cents. Okay. So let me bring that back. And I'm done. You guys are up next. Give me your thoughts. Let me know if you guys think the market in HBAR is definitely bullish, because currently it is. This is going to be a buy zone, so we're going to put that there. And give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.